Hello, my dear children. How are you? Enjoy your lessons along with this beautiful picture.
In this chapter, we are going to learn about land plants. Okay, the plants which grow on land is known as terrestrial plants. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn about this plant. So the plants that grow on the land are of different habitats. Okay, they are different habitats such as deserts, plains, mountains, and forest. So in these places, in these areas, the plants grow, they adapt different types of habitat. Habitat means the physical characteristics which they adapt to survive in, to live, okay, or growth in these areas. Okay, children, so let us learn about the adaptation of different types of land plants. Okay, so the first one is plants in deserts. Okay, deserts means definitely there is a hot and dry place, okay, and the full of soil, okay, less amount of rain. Let us see what are these plants. So these plants grow in hot, dry and sandy places. As I told you, full of soil, that is sandy places, and deserts get very less rainfall. For example, 25 centimeter, okay children, 25 centimeter of the annual rainfall, okay, they experience. And they experience high temperature, that is mean very hot climate, okay, throughout the year. And hence there is scarcity of water because less amount of water, so they are not able to survive, okay. So they have different features to survive, to growth, to live in this environment, in this habitat. Okay, so let us see how these plants have adapted to this habitat. Okay, what are their characteristics, what are their physical characteristics, and how they are survive, how they are live,
How the growth take place in this environment. Now let us follow their adapted habitat.
The first point is leaves are changed to spines, okay, to reduce the loss of water. So they have a leaves. These kinds of plants have leaves, but the leaves are changed to spines because leaves have spore, okay. In the last video I have taught you every leaves, each leaves have hole on their surface, okay. So from this called stomata, from this they are losing water by the process of transpiration. But if because of this scarcity of water in this area, like deserts, so to reduce the loss of waters, God has created, instead of leaves, created spines, okay. So leaves are changed to spines to reduce the water. I will show you the picture, children, what is spines, okay.
Now observe this picture, children, in your screen. The difference between thorn and spines, okay.
Now observe each terms carefully, children, in this picture. Thorn, spines, prickles and bristles. Observe this picture carefully, children. Follow the arrow mark, okay. This is the leaves. This leaves is changed to spines, okay, because of they don't want to lose water. And look at this surface of the cactus plants, okay, the stem of the cactus plants, which is made up of waxy coating like wax.
Here in this picture, thorn and spines is grow at the axil of the leaf. Observe the picture carefully, children.
Let's move to our next point, children. The stem is green and fleshy. Okay, the cactus plants stems are very green. Okay, and it is fleshy also. Why? Means they have lot of chlorophyll in them. Okay, they store water and produce food because they are eligible for storing lots of water, and they are preparing food starch, okay, by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so they are very green and waxing coating. Okay, now the third point is these plants have a long root. Why? That goes deep into the soil. These kinds of plants, those who are grow on deserts, because they need to absorb lots of water from the soil, because there is already scarcity of water, so they need water. So for the absorptions of water, for that reasons they are growing very deep under the soil to absorb the waters or minerals from the soil. Because of that reason only they are growing very deep under the soil. So let us see what are the kinds of plants they are. Okay, so for example, apansha, date palm and aloe vera. So these types of plants, okay, it is here, children. You can observe this one carefully. Look at the apansha plant along with spines. I hope you liked the video very well. So watch the video repeatedly, children. Thank you. Take care.